You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's download music from YouTube directly to your iPhone. First, you cannot do this with the official YouTube app alone. You will need to use the Safari browser or a third-party app from the App Store. Open Safari and go to a YouTube music video you want. Tap the share button below the video, which looks like an arrow in the share sheet. Scroll and find the option that says shortcuts. If you don't see it, tap more and enable shortcuts. This runs a shortcut to save the video. You may need to download a specific YouTube downloader shortcut first from a website. Alternatively, install a dedicated app like Documents by Redel in. Such an app use its built-in browser to visit YouTube, find your video, and look for a download or save option provided by that app. The file will save locally on your iPhone for offline play. Remember, respect copyright and only download content you have permission to use. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's send a photo message directly to a friend on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a speech bubble. Now select the conversation with the friend you want to message, or tap the compose icon to start a new chat. Inside the chat, look for the plus sign or the gallery icon next to the text input field. Tapping this will open your phone's photo gallery. Browse and select the photo you wish to send. You can also take a new picture instantly by using the camera icon within the chat. After selecting your photo, you have the option to add text, stickers, or effects before sending it. Finally, tap the send button, which is usually a paper plane icon. Your photo message will be delivered directly to your friend's TikTok inbox. They will get a notification that you have sent them a picture. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Open the Messages app and select the conversation you want to personalize. Now tap on the contact's name or the letter I at the top of your screen. This will open the conversation details. Scroll down and tap on the option that says background. Here you will see a few different categories. You can choose a solid color for a very clean look or select one of the provided gradient options. For more fun, tap photos to use an image from your own library as the backdrop. You can adjust the photo's position and opacity using the slider so your text remain readable. Once you are happy with your choice, tap set in the top right corner. You can set it just for this specific chat or for all of your message threads. Remember, this background change is only visible on your own device, not the other person's phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.